Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I've been showing you how to download Instagram videos to camera roll in your iPhone. I'm Shihab. You're watching Mr. Shihab. Before watching this, make sure you have subscribed my channel and enable bell button to get my next video's notification up to date. First, you have to download Insta from the App Store, and next go to Instagram. Copy the link of video which you want to download. Then go to Insta and paste the link and hit the download button. Downloading may take some time. After downloaded, go to history. On top you can see recently downloaded video. Tap on it and tap again on share button and select save to files and select anywhere in files. It's not important. The main thing is we have to save the video in camera roll. On top right corner you cannot see done button, but it exists. Tap on it, then go to files and select the video. Tap on share button and save video. Now the video is saved to camera roll, or you can save photos. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, share to your family and friends.